Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, I will presentation about our project. Before I will start the presentation, I will introduce my group member. My name is Setyo Aji Wibowo and my partner is Andro, Rizky, Adwityo. And we are from group 3. We will presentation about our project and the implementation of Windows Server for storage infrastructure. This is Active Directory. Active Directory is a directory service that stores network configuration for a user, group, computer, hardware, and various security policies in one controlled database. Will we add the feature Active Directory? We can add role and feature, and then in the server we can choose the Active Directory domain server, and then we choose next, and will process installation. We can choose the promote this server to a domain controller. And then add name first. We can input the name for the name forest, for example aji.net. And in the process domain control option, we can checklist the domain name system or DNS and global catalog. And then we can input password and confirm password, and then select next. In IP configuration, this is for configuration in Ethernet. Before is IPv4 address signet by DHCP, and the IP6 is enabled. And then after we add after we configure the DNS server wizard, there will display the IP is 10.0.2.4 and IPv6 is enabled. Join server domain. This is the display where the domain is success join with the server client. DHCP. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, a service that automatically assigns an IP number to the computer requesting. The computer that provides this IP number and is referred to as the DHCP server, while the computer making the request is called DHCP client. This is we can the display of scope in IPv4 and configuration DNS server function. DNS is stand for the domain name system. DNS server, the function is a database server that stores IP address and use it for naming a host name. So when you type google.com, the DNS server will translate to IP address and connect to google.com, finally showing google.com on the search screen. And will the configuration the DNS server wizard. This is we can choose the which the server maintains your primary forward lookup name. You can choose this server maintain the zone, and then this is the input. We add IP, and then is success. There will display uh, checklist in the right of IP, left of IP, and we click finish. This is the step. And as in reverse lookup, we can click new zone, right click in reverse lookup, and then select new zone, and welcome this is the display, the first display, and then select next, and we choose the primary zone, and we check if to store the zone in Active Directory. We click next and input the network ID, and we click next, and will display in reverse lookup zones. And okay, the next slide will be explained by my friend Rizky Adwityo. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my name is Rizky Adwityo, and now I will explain about file server. First, we must install the file server, and then open file server resource manager tools, right click and create quota template, and then fill the quota template window. And then if success, there will be window like this, and then create quota from the quota template. Sharing file server. The first we must open the documents, and then right click on the documents, select properties, and on the restaurant properties windows, select the sharing, and then click share. And then there are the window like this, and then click done. Creating user. On the tools, we select the Active Directory users and computer, and then right click, select new, and then new user. This is the window. If we want to create the user, fill the window, first name, last name, full name, and the user logon name. Then click next. Input the password, and there are the row. For the example, we choose the user. The user cannot change password. And then click next. And then click finish. And then creating group, same like the creating user, right click, and then select new and select group. And this is the window of the new group. Input the group name, and there are the group scope and group type. And then group permission. For the example, I choose the manager groups. The group is only can create, delete, and manage user account. And then group policy. Open the tools and select the group policy management. And this is the window of the group policy management. Backup DHCP database. On the tools, we choose the DHCP, and then on the DHCP window, right click on the computer1.aj.net and then select backup, and there are the browse for folder backup, and then click OK. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.